Hi, it is Ryan Kaufman here with my partner Ethan Pounders, and today we are going to be discussing binary ionic formulas and the steps in making these. Number 1, you want to identify the metal and nonmetal. Number 2, you want to find the symbols of each element. Number 3, you want to write the charges. And number 4, I find the most helpful way is to cross the charges from each side and place them at the bottom of each element. For our representative element, we chose aluminum oxide, aluminum being the metal and oxide being the nonmetal. Oxygen has a charge of -2 and aluminum has a charge of +3. So you want to cross the two charges to form aluminum 2, oxygen 3. For our polyatomic ion, we chose calcium carbonate. It is CaCO3. Calcium has a charge of +2, and carbonate being CO has a charge of -2, so they cancel each other out. And since it is CO3, the 3 remains at the end. For our transition metal, we chose mercury 2 oxide, mercury being Hg with a charge of 2+, oxygen being O with a -2 charge. It is a transition metal, so it has the Roman numerals of 2 in the middle of the elements. And ionic bonds form when a nonmetal and a metal exchange electrons. When naming binary molecular formulas, the first element is given its element's name, while the second element is given its root, such as hydro, ox, fluor, etc., followed by ide. For example, hydrogen chloride is hydrogen and chlorine. The symbol for hydrogen is H, symbol for chlorine is Cl, and when you combine the two, it turns into hydrogen chloride.